Bitcoin, stay alarmed. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Smash that like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max. With your host for the most here, Rodrigo Arnedo, and we have Bitcoin. Well, with volatility, of course, but if you wanna know more about price action, well, still same things we said in the last video. So go there, you have there the charts about the daily, and we keep on track. Also, we have this bull flag, and we keep on track there. So go there and do not be fooled. That's what Crypto Robert is telling us. Majority of Bitcoin liquidity is building above us, and Bitcoin always follows the liquidity. So even though you believe that Bitcoin is going down, it may go up. And remember also here from Kevin Svensson that we are just building a new support where we had a huge resistance in 2021 with the all-time highs. So that's true for Bitcoin. Also it's true that if we want to have a consecutive green monthly candles, well, Bitcoin should gain more than 6K in the remaining 5 days in April, which is difficult. We are down right now 9.8% in April. Maybe this good season of green months is getting to an end. We'll see about that. But also remember that the month after the halving is always green in Bitcoin history. So we'll see about that. I will tell you more about this next week. Do not miss any of our videos. And why are we going down? Well, second day in a row with bad results in those ETFs. We have more outflows than inflows. The net outflow was huge, and it's minus 217. So crazy. And also on the daily average, if we consider 7 days, well, it's minus 50 million. So not a good week, but on the other hand, you have good news about this. Like, for example, BNY Mellon is the largest custodian of wealth of planet Earth. If you think BlackRock having 10 trillion under management is big, well, try BNY Mellon's 49 trillion. And they say that they are exposed to Bitcoin ETFs. So you can see that people with a lot of money out there, the ones that rule the world, they are into these ETFs. And maybe that's the idea, Grayscale with this new product out there about the ETFs. The ones in China, in Hong Kong, actually starting next week. And now Morgan Stanley considering allowing brokers to recommend spot Bitcoin ETFs to clients. So yeah, they are just controlling all this, and on the other hand telling you that this is a bad idea. Coinbase trying to help with this video is going to be on TV. 15 million they are going to use for this campaign. And the idea is that when you have your money and you try to use it, there's a lot of people out there that they are taking their cut. Like if you have a pizza and when it goes home, well, it's not the whole pizza, but fiat currencies will make you lose a lot of money. And we told you we have enemies in previous videos. Watch them all. They are going after Bitcoin because Bitcoin is freedom. Bitcoin makes individual sovereigns, and they don't like that. So remember, they went after Samurai Wallet. I leave you a link to BTC address with the steps you need to do if you want to move into another self-custodian wallet, if you were there. And so I'm telling you, we have more and more enemies. So yeah, we saw yesterday how the SEC is working, and now the FBI is issuing public service announcement telling Americans to beware of financial services that do not ask for know your customer information, including name, date of birth, address, and ID before allowing you to send or receive money or cryptocurrencies. They want you to stay alarmed, as No Agenda says in their show. I told you about this show, it's my favorite right now. They will tell you everything is going on in the planet, but with a different view, and they will be critics with that, and they will fight for your freedom. So if you know how to well, if you know English, well, you can just go there. You have it in no agenda, so I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below. And also they have like notes and the transcription out there, so maybe you can go to some chatbot and try and have a sum up for you. I tried, but it's too long. It's like 3 hours, so it's difficult even for an AI. But it's an awesome show. I just watched this one, or better said, listen to it. And for today, I have the last one from April 25th. So I'm so happy. Also, you have it on iBox and so many other places. And as I'm recommending you for the weekend, some homework with no agenda. Also, my other favorite is Joe Rogan, the Joe Rogan Experience on Spotify. So, yeah, those are my two favorites right now. If you don't know how to speak English, remember I have a dedicated video on CryptoNews on how to learn as myself, truly and for free. And also in my other channel, AI News, you have how to learn English with AI for free. So you have no excuses. Back to the FBI warning. Well, you should stay alarmed, not be careful. Just stay alarmed so that you will be at your home, not moving, just doing whatever your government tells you to do. And here, Dyle and Leclerc telling us they are going to go after self custody because they need capital controls to properly execute financial repression. Capital is sufficiently captured in walled garden ETFs. So they want you to use the ETFs. Didn't you want the ETFs? You have there. So you don't have to self custodial your Bitcoin. That's a threat to their control. You need to consider that Biden now wants to go up for 44% on taxes for crypto. Seems like he is learning from Spain. Good for you. And talking about taxes, remember the best tracker for your portfolio, the one I use is Coin Tracking. You have the link in the description below with a 10% discount. And remember, we are in tax season in Spain, so do your homework or you might be in trouble. Stay alarmed. Also, why not Biden pushing 25% tax on unrealized gains for high net worth individuals? Well, of course, but not for your unrealized losses, just the gains. They want to tax everything. They want to tax the air and the water, tax your income, tax your every time you buy something, tax your wealth, tax your unrealized gains, tax your realized gains, tax your property, and tax you when you die. And yet they can just print money whenever they want, which is just another tax as it devaluates your existing money. Están mis vecinos cantando en árabe, lo cual es un poco tremendo. Maybe you listen to that out there. So funny stuff. Well, we keep on going with the show. Millionaires are selling their real estate for Bitcoin. Well, you need to consider that if you are with Bitcoin, you have no property tax right now, no income tax, no maintenance costs, no interest payments, no insurance payments, no dealing with tenants, and can be confiscated if you go with the self-custodian way. If you do the ETFs and stuff, of course, forget about all this. And now for the huge piece of information today, Consensus is suing the SEC and Gary Gensler. They expect them to say if Ethereum is or isn't a security, if it is a commodity. And this controversy seems that it's going to be solved on trial. Ethereum's confiscation as a security or commodity might be determined in court, as Consensus, the owner of MetaMask, sues the SEC after receiving a Wells notice. So you see that, as Dylan Leclerc told us, they are going to self-custodian wallets, and MetaMask is one of these services. They are going after Tornado Cash, after Samurai Wallet. Maybe now they are going after MetaMask. So a very nice moment to recommend myself a treasure, a cold wallet. maybe that's the way to be a sovereign individual. If you want to buy one of these as myself, use the link in the description below, and then you can go to fundontheright.com, where you have a whole section about crypto safety, where you learn how to use it and all the advantages of using a cold wallet like Trezor. Ethereum is not reacting to this news, but we're still optimistic about it because we're still above $3,000. And Chico Crypto is telling us that we might be up for a surprise, as they might approve the ETS for Ethereum soon enough. Everybody believes it's not going to happen. And there's some conspiracy theory right now that says that maybe they are not buying any more Bitcoin and they are trying to push price of Bitcoin down so that next week we have an explosion with those Asian ETFs. They want to buy it cheap. Maybe they are colluding the United States market with the Asian market. Maybe so. They want a cheap price for those first days. And also, maybe they are going to buy Ethereum right now and not Bitcoin anymore, and that's why they are doing that. The market with this all information is in the red, fighting for the green. The bubbles, some of them crazy, like Bonk going up 9%, and BTT going up for 11.8%. The most important ones there in 0 point something, so fighting for the green. And we have some interesting charts here comparing the returns you might have if you invest in Bitcoin or if you invest in stock market or gold. So for the last 4 years, investment in Bitcoin would bring you 75% return, while a stock market Standard & Poor's 500 would be 17%, and gold would be 8.6%. So again, Bitcoin stills the king. That's why we keep on being greedy. 70 out there. And I want to recommend you our partners, Bybit. You can go up to €25 bonus if you use the link in the description below. And remember that we are just 4 days away to get this bonus, €15. Just 4 more days is your chance to participate in this IDLO special bonus. So yeah, use the link in the description below. And for a curious thing, did you know that the first Satoshi of Bitcoin's fourth halving block was auctioned for 33.3 Bitcoin, worth over 2.1 million? I didn't know that you could buy like one specific Satoshi. Is this fungible? Is this not? Controversy out there. We saw yesterday how you can buy a sign of buying Bitcoin, and today we see people buying one specific sat out there for history. Really interesting. If you want to learn about what I just said, just go to the previous video. I told you everything about that sign, and do not overthink everything that you know about crypto and the world like this cat, because you might get mad in the end. And I have a special announcement today, is that my sister and myself, we are running the marathon this Sunday in Madrid. So please send me some cheer. And also, if you are watching the runners in Madrid, well, maybe you see myself and my sister running. We'll see if we make it to the end of the line, or maybe we just die like this cat. No, it's not dead. It's just stretching and chilling a bit, because this crypto market can be so stressful. Well, let's chill. Or if you wanna keep on learning, go to AI News, our channel about artificial intelligence. And if you wanna learn more about crypto, then watch one of these videos here on Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!